Hello crafters, welcome to another episode of Craft Hits, and on today's episode we are going to be making Snoopy again, but this time with a Christmas hat. I just felt like, because it's the Christmas season here, and I just wanted to do something cool with it. Maybe do something a little themed with that. I don't know what I'm going to do for the base yet, but I'm kind of thinking about it either like a pile of snow, maybe he's standing on, or his house. But I'm going to work on that here, and I do hope that you guys enjoy the video, and if you do, maybe you could consider hitting that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, and it really does help out with the algorithm and everything. Thank you. All right, so Snoopy is done. It's been a couple of days here, and I really like this one. It's really cute. Not much to say about it except for like a few minor flaws, but overall, I really like it just because it's cute and it's Snoopy. How can you not like it? He's got a little Christmas hat, and he's obviously on his doghouse, as he often does. So I think that I did a pretty good job on this one. My wife really likes Snoopy as well, so I just had to do this as a little project for Christmas. So I hope you guys like it too. And if you want to start your own little projects, you guys, I have everything linked out in the description below as well, with my Amazon affiliate links of everything that I've done. Everything that I use. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, I would really appreciate if you hit that like button. But as always, hope you all have a wonderful day.